Okay, just got this Heatwell space heater. We're going to plug it into an outlet here. It's a very compact space heater, energy efficient, and we're going to plug it in and see how this thing works. So I guess you just turn the power on. Bam! It's coming out hot. Can you guys see that? Oh wow, that is hot. Can I turn it temperature up higher? Wow, it feels like really warm air. It's like very warm. And it's super fast. Let me turn it down. So it has a thermostat and a timer, so I can set a timer. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Okay. Back to the